multiplication and division. Okay? You only have these two, okay? And you only have these two. That's when the left to right happens. So we have 2 minus 6, which is what? How? 2 minus 6 is what?
4, right?
Yes, it's 4. What kind of 4?
Negative.
Thank you, Campos. Negative 4. Bring down this negative 3. It's Kendall. I said it right? Gosh darn it. Miss Ella, I'm going to get it right. Miss Ella, I'm going to get it right. What do you think we're going to do right here?
So a negative minus a negative would go more negative, right?
Mm-hmm.
So it would be negative. I know it, I'm thinking.
It's okay.
Negative 1.
Ah. This is where I need my rolling chair. This is where same sign sum comes into play.
Yeah.
Add. Okay? So,
James Fogarty to the office, James.
when we have same sign sum, this means 4 plus 6 is equal to 10. Negative 4 minus 6 is equal to a negative 10.
That would be
Negative 4 plus a negative 6 is still equal to a negative 10.
that would
Okay.
be equal to a negative 7.
Good job. Thank you.
Yeah.
So, same sign sum. That's it. Nothing more, nothing less. Negative 7. And that's our answer, okay? Woo! Good? Cool. What else we got? Let me see. 15 times 2 divided by negative 6. Miss Ella, you've heard of PEMDAS, right? Obviously. So what does the P stand for in PEMDAS?
Parentheses.
Parentheses. Good job.
Do within the parentheses first.
Yes. And when we go inside the parentheses, what starts all over, Miss Howell? Exactly. Okay. This is just a little bit of a tidbit star. Okay? When solving inside parentheses, spell check. PEMDAS starts all over again. Okay? Whenever you go inside the parentheses, because you're going to have multiple parts inside of some parentheses, all right? When you go inside parentheses, PEMDAS starts all over again. You're probably going to have, sometimes you might have like 2 parentheses or 3 parentheses within each other. I guarantee y'all, hey, all of y'all in the back, y'all best listen up to this. I guarantee you, come next week, because we're not done with this chapter yet. Come next week, you will have order of operations where you will have like a good 3 or 4 parentheses within each other, okay? Okay, so just be careful of that. And when you go inside parentheses, PEMDAS starts all over again, okay? All over. So, 15 times 2, 30. Bring down the division sign of -6.
That would be -5.
Good job. Okay?
Sometimes when I don't answer right away, I'm just doing it in my head.
I noticed. I noticed by your work as well. You're doing a great job, Campos. All right, that was number 2. Let's skip down. I'm only gonna make this lesson really quick, all right? No need for me to go, you know what I'm saying? No need for me to exuberantly go into detail because I've already gone into detail with all of y'all already, all right? So, we have, let's say, 3 minus 15 minus 3 divided by 6 divided by -6. Okay, so 3 minus parenthesis 15 minus 3 divided by -6. This is when actual PEMDAS, full-fledged PEMDAS comes into play. All right? Let's check it out. Do we see any parentheses?
Yeah.
Yes. So let's solve for what's in the parentheses.
Should be 12 maybe? Or, yeah, 12.
12. Good job. Bring that stuff down. 3 minus divided by -6.
Maybe it's 2.
So, Miss Ella, what's the first one that we do?
We do the division.
Good job.
That would be a negative divided by a negative is still negative, right?
Ah,
Or is it positive?
it's a positive.
Yeah.
Here's a little bit of a chart for you to help you out, since you weren't here. And when you log on to the Google Classroom, I'll show the chart up there. All right. So, you have plus, minus, right? This is dealing with multiplication and division. Okay. Now, you've done a multiplication grid before, right?
Yeah.
You know, 7 times 1, 7 times 3, 7 times 4, so yada, 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 so on and so forth. Well, think of this as a multiplication grid, shall we? Right? Positive multiplied or divided by a positive is a,
Positive.
there we go. Positive multiplied or divided by a negative is a,
Negative.
Negative multiplied or divided by a positive is a,
Negative.
and
the other would be
a negative multiplied or divided by a negative is a,
positive.
there we go. So this literally in a nutshell is multiplying and dividing integers right here. Just in case you might forget along the way, it's okay. It happens. We all have brain farts. I know I do. Also, my requirement for this classroom is for you to write in pencil at all times, even the tests. Now, when you're taking notes, those are your notes. You can write in pen, you can write in marker, I don't care. Miss Hyatt in the back, she chooses to use colored pencils. It helps her, right? Or, yeah, you know. So your notes are your notes, however way you do them. Rule number 1 about this class, listen to the teacher at all times, obviously. Rule number 2, write down everything that I write on the board. You know what I'm saying? Because it's here to help you. So, and good job seeing that this is a -12, because I don't have to actually explain to you that, you know, negatives and subtraction signs, they both go hand in hand. What does that mean? They mean
The opposite.
they mean not the opposite,
The same.
the same, okay? A minus sign and a negative are both the same exact thing, okay? So, -12 divided by a -6 is equal to what kind of 2?
Positive 2.
Positive 2. 3 plus 2 is what, Miss Howell?
5.
Good job, okay? Are there any questions, comments, concerns? Granted, I realize these are basics. They are. And it might look like a lot of information. It's not. It's just a little bit, you know, a little bit of a taste. But don't worry, we're going to be going full-fledged into, you know, order of operations come next week. All right? Cool? Cool. I'm done for the day.
Yeah, that is